Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how you can get a lot of data subscription that is enough, okay, that is more than the regular ones on your MTN. Okay, so you just go to your dialing app, star, you type in *121# MTN users, and it brings up this pop-up, and you can see you have Data4Me. So you go to Data4Me, and Data4Me is 2. You send that, and you can see what I have here on Data4Me. So I can enjoy 40 gig for 5,000 naira. I can enjoy 50 gig for 6,000 naira. But if you are just starting out, okay, you are to select the ones that you are qualified for, and as you use it and you subscribe to that, they upgrade you to the next, to a higher data bonus. Okay, so if I want for this any one of them, I'll just choose one and send, but I'll make sure that I've preloaded up to this amount, this 5,000 naira or 6,000 naira on my recharge bonus. On my recharge, on my airtime. Okay, I would have recharged 5,000 naira worth airtime before I subscribe for the 5,000 naira. If you are going for the 500 naira or 2,000 naira, make sure you have recharged your MTN line. Okay, you have recharged your airtime before you subscribe. So this is how you use the Data4Me data subscription on MTN. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.